Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to increase organic sales on Amazon. First, optimize your product listings. This means using strong keywords in your title and bullet points, making it easier for customers to find you. Craft compelling descriptions that highlight benefits, not just features. High-quality images and a product video are crucial, as they can increase conversion rates by up to 3 times. Aim for at least 5 detailed bullet points to inform potential buyers thoroughly. Next, focus on enhancing your customer reviews. Positive reviews build trust and significantly influence purchasing decisions. Encourage happy customers to share their experiences. Always respond professionally to all feedback, both positive and negative, showing you value customer input. Aim for an average rating of at least 4.5 stars, as this often boosts visibility. Excellent customer service is key to preventing negative reviews and fostering loyalty. Third, implement a strategic pricing approach. Researching competitor prices helps you position your product effectively in the marketplace. Consider using Amazon's automated pricing tools to adjust prices dynamically, maintaining competitiveness without constant manual effort. Occasional promotions or discounts can attract new buyers and generate initial sales momentum. Always price your product to reflect its true value and quality, ensuring it appeals to your target audience. Finally, leverage Amazon's powerful SEO tools. Use brand analytics to discover the most search terms relevant to your products, guiding your keyword strategy. Regularly monitor your product's search ranking for these crucial keywords to track your progress. Continuously refine your keywords based on actual performance data, adapting to market changes. Understanding Amazon's A9 algorithm is vital, as it dictates how products are ranked and displayed to potential customers.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.